The blue Morpho butterfly is actually a group of neotropical butterflies of the genus Morpho, famous for their dazzling metallic blue color. They are considered an icon of the Amazon rainforest and one of the largest butterflies in the world. These are their most fascinating characteristics. The secret of their color, an optical effect. Their brilliant blue color is not due to a pigment, but to a physical phenomenon called structural coloration. Microstructures. Their wings are covered in microscopic scales with a tree-like structure that diffracts and reflects light. Changes with the light. The color varies with the angle of incidence of the light. Their name Morpho comes from Greek and means changing. Internal color. The underside of their wings is a cryptic brown with eye spots, which allows them to camouflage themselves when perched with their wings closed. Physical characteristics and behavior. Impressive size. These are large butterflies with a wingspan ranging from 7.5 to 20 centimeters. Males are usually larger and more brightly colored than females. Solitary habits. They are diurnal and outside of the mating season, live solitary lives. Habitat and distribution. Neotropical region. They inhabit the tropical rainforests of Mexico, Central America, northern South America, and Paraguay. Canopy preference. They spend most of their time on the forest floor and in sunny clearings where they bask. Life cycle and diet. Caterpillar diet. The larvae, caterpillars, feed primarily on the leaves of leguminous plants, such as those of the genus Inga. Adult diet. Adults do not feed on nectar, but rather drink the juice of rotting fruit with their long proboscis. Short life cycle. Their complete life cycle from egg to adult lasts approximately 115 days. Defenses and survival. Intimidating flashing. When flying, the flashing of their blue wings creates glimmers that confuse and scare away predators. Odor and stinging hairs. As a caterpillar, it releases a strong odor similar to rancid butter and possesses stinging hairs to deter attackers. Cannibalistic behavior. The larvae of some species are prone to cannibalism. Cultural significance and conservation. Symbol of transformation and joy. In many Latin American cultures, it symbolizes transformation, resilience, joy, and positive change. National symbol. In 2022, the Morpho Helener narcissus species was declared the national symbol of Costa Rica. Threats. The main threat is deforestation and habitat loss. They are also harvested for jewelry and woodworking, which has endangered them. They are a key indicator of the health of tropical forests. The beauty of the blue Morpho is not just a visual pleasure. It is a perfect optical illusion that defies logic, and precisely for this reason, it has inspired some of the most poetic and profound myths of Amazonian and Mesoamerican cultures. Here I tell you why its aesthetic is almost supernatural and what secrets the legends surrounding it hold. Its beauty, a vibrant blue that doesn't exist. Its beauty lies in a phenomenon that borders on scientific magic. The color that isn't a color. Unlike a flower or a bird, its wings do not contain blue pigment. Its beauty is pure quantum physics. The scales on its wings have a layered nanostructure that traps light. Blue light is strongly reflected, while other colors cancel each other out. It's a literally unreal blue. The flashing effect. When it flies, its wings aren't static. As they flap, the angle of the light constantly changes, producing a strobe effect that ranges from electric blue to turquoise to deep violet. It looks like a light bomb moving through the green gloom of the rainforest. The sublime contrast. The upper part is a celestial canvas, but when it closes its wings, it becomes a dry brown leaf with spots that resemble eyes. This duality, maximum ostentation in the sky versus absolute camouflage on the ground, is what makes it a masterpiece of natural design. Myths and legends. The soul, fire, and desires. Its inexplicable beauty led indigenous cultures to create fascinating stories to give it meaning. These are the most powerful. 1. The myth of the theft of fire, Tupi-Guarani legend. This is the most widespread legend in the Amazon basin. It tells that, in the beginning, fire belonged only to the sun and the gods. Humans suffered in the darkness and cold. A brave warrior or shaman, depending on the version, captured an ember from the sun and hid it in his hands, but the fire burned his skin. The blue Morpho bird, taking pity on humans, landed on the ember, took it with its wings and flew to earth. On its journey, the flames scorched its wings, staining them that metallic blue that looks like cold fire. That is why too. 4. The legend of the competition with the sky. Another indigenous tale tells that the Morpho was originally an ugly brown butterfly that lived on the ground. One day the sky, or the god of the firmament, felt lonely and descended to earth in search of company. The Morpho offered to perch on a flower. The sky, grateful, gifted it a piece of its starry blue cloak. Since then, it carries a fragment of the sky on its back, and every time it flies, the sky is reminded that it has a piece of itself exploring the earthly world. The union of science and myth. The most beautiful thing of all is that modern science confirmed what the indigenous people always intuited. The beauty of the Morpho is not matter, it is energy, reflected light. Myths say it is a soul or a fragment of the sky. Science says its color is light trapped in invisible structures. In both cases, the blue Morpho is not entirely of this world. It is a gateway between physical reality and magical perception. If you ever see one in the jungle, you're not just seeing an insect. You're seeing a flash of ancient fire, the whisper of an ancestor, or a piece of the sky that has come down to greet you. That's why it's not just beautiful, it's sacred.